Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We continue our lesson with another reaction of alkenes, which is oxidation. So under oxidation, we have four types of reaction: combustion, epoxidation, ozonolysis, and hydroxylation. The first oxidation reaction is a combustion. Combustion is actually a burning process. The alkenes are highly flammable and burn readily in air, forming carbon dioxide in water. This is a general reaction for combustion. Alkenes burn with more sooty flame than alkenes because the double bond means there is less hydrogen to combine with oxygen, and some of the carbon will not be oxidized and will produce carbon in the form of soot. Then alkenes are not used as a fuel. Alkenes are not used as a fuel, but alkenes is normally used as a fuel because it is a complete combustion. It has enough hydrogen to combine with oxygen to form a water. Example, reaction of ethenes. A reaction of ethenes that burn in air is this one. So you must balance this equation. So the second reaction is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction is or epoxidation that use epoxide or oxygen is a three-membered cyclic ether. So epoxide is this one, this one. They produce epoxide. This reaction is producing redoxide and acid. So this is the general reaction. Alkenes react with peroxide. This oxygen, the pink oxygen, will form oxygen, and the rest will form carboxylic acid. This is example: peroxyacetic acid react with peroxybenzoic acid. So this is the detailed reaction. First, it will form the epoxide oxygen. This is two reaction actually. Sorry. Okay. This one we have. This reaction doesn't have mechanism, so it's okay. Kalau tak, you kena ingat banyak mechanism. So just remember dia punya general reaction. Alkenes react with peroxide, form epoxide or oxygen and acid, carboxylic acid. And the third one is hydroxylation. Hydroxylation is converting an alkene to glycol. Glycol is 2 alcohol, or we call it diol. It's require adding a hydroxyl group to each end of the double bond into the both carbon. Hydroxylation reagent is cold dilute alkaline potassium permanganate. Mild oxidation condition. This is also known as a Bayer reagent. This reagent is known as Bayer reagent. Okay, so this is the punya general reaction. It just add the OH at this carbon. So we get we get diol. So this is an example: ethene react with potassium permanganate, aqueous potassium permanganate with the alcohol, acid. This is oxidation reagent. So we get 1,2-ethene diol. Propene react with this reagent, Bayer reagent, to get 1,2-propene diol. And this one pun sama juga lah. Add the OH here and here. Okay. And the next oxidation reaction is the ozonolysis. This reaction is the reaction of alkenes with ozone to form ozonate. It followed by hydrolysis of the ozonate to produce aldehyde and or ketone, yeah? Either both or either one. Okay? It is widely used to determine the position of the carbon-carbon double bond. Yeah? This reaction is used to determine the position of carbon-carbon double bond. Ozonolysis is a milder and both ketone and aldehyde can be recovered without further oxidation. Yeah? We can get that ketone and aldehyde that will be produced in this reaction. Yeah? So this is ozonate. Yeah? Alkene react with the ozone to get ozonate. Yeah? This is intermediate, and this will split to form aldehyde. Okay. The year test is actually a simple test for alkene. Yeah? It means whether the compound is alkene or not. It is called Bayer test. The reagent is cold dilute potassium permanganate solution, acid in acidic or basic condition. Yeah? The observation for this test is if the compound is alkene, it will produce purple color. No, sorry, not produce, because the purple color is come from the potassium permanganate. If the compound is alkene, the purple color of potassium permanganate remain unchanged. But if it is alkene, the purple color of potassium permanganate decolorize and form brown precipitate of manganese oxide. Okay? So this is alkene, this is alkene. Why we get this because alkene react with the Bayer reagent, we will get diol. Okay, means that they react. But if it is alkene, potassium permanganate remain as a potassium permanganate. Yeah, we will not get this one. Yeah, this is brown precipitate. Yeah, manganese oxide. Inilah kalau ada double bond, baru dia akan hasilkan brown precipitate. Kalau tak ada double bond, dia akan kekal as the potassium permanganate, which is a purple color. Okay. Another test, another simple test for alkene is the bromine test. Sama juga. This is actually halogenation reaction. Bromine in inert solvent or bromine water. The observation is if it is alkene, double bond, doesn't have a double bond, the brown or yellow bromine doesn't change, does not change the color. But if it is alkene, it has double bond, it will react with the bromine, and the color of the bromine will become colorless. So the after is actually yellow or brown color, but when it's react, there is no more bromine, it's become colorless. Okay. Okay. So saya terus continue with the uses of alkenes. The sources of alkenes is actually from cracking of petroleum. Okay. Cracking means that they break the long chain of the petroleum to get the small fraction, or small chain. That process is called fractional distillation, to get a smaller alkenes. Alkenes is used to produce ethylene and propylene. Propylene and ethylene is the largest volume in industrial of organic chemical. Okay, it is used to synthesize one variety of useful compound. Nanti saya tunjukkan sikit. So this is ethylene. Ethylene is used to produce ethylene oxide, polyethylene, acetaldehyde, acetic acid, ethylene dichloride, vinyl dichloride, and ethanol, ethylene glycol. So this is polyethylene. Polyethylene. This is polyethylene polymer. Polyethylene is popular use in plastic industry to produce grocery bag, shampoo bottles, plastic bottles, children toys, bulletproof vase, film wrapping, and also kitchenware. While polyvinyl chloride is the one yang macam foam sikit tu. It is used in produce clothes, waterproof clothes, coat, shoes, jacket, apron, and also bag. It is also used for as an insulator for electric wire. Kalau wire tu yang getah tu sebenarnya is the PVC. Also in production of pipe, composite for accessory or housing portable electronic. Okay, so that's all for alkenes.